Start. In continuation of his address on the benefits of walking exercise, let us consider the matter for a moment, said the lecturer, and try to estimate the advantages of walking and walking tours. Stop. The roads of every country in Europe, except those of Sweden, Russia, Greece, and Turkey, are familiar to me. Stop. I have walked through France from north to south and nearly from east to west. Stop. I have walked through a large part of Germany and have crossed the Alps on foot by three different passes. Stop. I know the roads of Italy from the frontier to Rome. Stop. I have been across pathless Bohemia and through Hungary and the Austrian Tyrol. Stop. I can, therefore, speak on the subject of walking with some authority, and from first to last, my expression of opinion should be of great value. Stop. In the first place, a walking tour has great educational advantages. Stop. It teaches us the physical features of a country in such a manner as no other way can. Stop. The level of the country, the position of the towns, the flow of rivers, and the nature of the soil are made real to us. Stop. The average Englishman whose idea of a lake is Windermere, of a mountain Snowdon, and of a river the Thames would open his eyes if he found himself by the side of Lake Constance, or if he crossed the Alps and Pyrenees and followed the 700 miles of the Rhine. Stop. In the second place, the wanderings of a man on foot with his eyes open and brought face to face with the peoples of other nations narrow down his prejudices. Stop.